guys, and welcome to today's video. The last time I tried to cook chapatis, I was underprepared, but this time round I am over prepared. We have a place to roll our dough. I do have a rolling pin and a basin because the other time I mixed my ingredients in a sufuria, which was not a good thing. Another thing, I am tired of eating rice. I am really tired of eating rice every day. I just want to eat ugali every day, even if it's a yellow ugali. Rice and chicken, oh my god, that is becoming too much. We need to eat something else. So let me prepare the 2 or 3 chapatis, hoping that this dough will be enough. But today we are not going to eat rice by force, by fire. Anyway, let me prepare in this big basin, and I am going to see. So we are going to cook with my husband. I'm going to wait for him, but I'm going to prepare the dough for it to be ready for like an hour because it's already 7 o'clock. He'll be here at 8. I'll be rolling, he'll be doing the pan thing. Look at the lovely dough. Yeah, that's a nicely done dough, and it will be enough for dinner. Good job, Mariana, good job. Guys, there is a kind of power that I have acquired. Like, this is the 4th time I am cooking chapatis in 1 month. Like, who this? What happened? And then I am becoming this fearless, like I am ready to try things. Even if they fail, I don't feel bad. What happened? What has shifted? But I'm loving it. Lentils are ready, and the ingredients are also clean and ready to chop. I have prepared enough lentils for today and for next time. Why do I have to boil lentils twice?
Hi guys. We are here. We are not live, but we are here. Yeah. So today we want to cook chapatis for the evening. So I'm just from school.
Let me tell you something.
Tell you something.
Hey, the flour was not enough.
Eh?
This is the only. It was only this, and I don't know if it's enough to raw. The only thing that we need is not to eat rice today. So we don't cook big chapatis. That is the size. Someone loves chapati na atake kusema.
Of course, eating rice every day is a problem. And I've been eating that rice for the past one year. I was just eating rice every day. Nikiwa wadogo mlikuwa mnaambia msipoint nini? Mayai.
Kwa nini ataka
mayai ya kuku haita hachi?
Tuakwende na huko.
Sasa ulikuwa unaza counting 1 2 3 ama
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. I have 9 chapatis. Sasa hiyo ingine already shaiva, sasa itaiva vibaya. Hebu tuonyeshe. And just like that, our chapatis are ready. The stew is ready. Now we go and eat and enjoy the meal. Hey, at least we are salivating for today's supper.
East of the Mediterranean Sea and Palestine, the territory of the Arab population that hails from the Israel-controlled.
Good morning, guys. How are we? We are doing fine. Today is on Tuesday. My husband already left for school, and here we are with Maya playing pretend. And this is our kitchen. This is one of the set that she was brought as a birthday gift. It's a complete set actually. We have a small cup. Okay, it can't cover. Okay, cover your pot. It's okay, and then we cook. Okay, cover your pot. Cover.
No.
Yeah, good job. I put it on the stove. Put it on the stove. We cook. Today being on Monday, what am I gonna do? Let me show you something that I made yesterday. And I'm telling you, my hand, the work of my hand is blessed. It is indeed blessed. Look at what I made yesterday. I made this headband. The lighting, yes. I made this headband because it's not like that cold for me to wear this kind of a beanie. This one is really heavy and I am sweating a lot. This one is really nice. My head is still breathing, but my ears are covered. My back is covered. Also with this kind of hairstyle, I'm feeling cold. My head is cold. Good morning, and I hope you're all doing fine. Today is a good day to be outside, although it's a bit chilly, but the weather is good for us to be outside. The sun is out, though it's not the hot sun. It's like the morning, like back in Kenya, this is the 7 a.m. sun and it's like 10 a.m. already. So here I am taking pictures of trees that have already turned color, and I'm loving everything. So, and Maya is out playing. Since yesterday she was like, I want to go outside, let's go outside the door, playground. And I was not okay yesterday. I don't know why. I've been going through roller coasters of emotions and feelings and everything. And I'm recording using my new phone. I don't know the quality, if it's good, if it's bad, but yeah, I can't see properly. I'm wearing glasses and they are tinted, so I don't know if the quality is good, but I think it's good. Oh God, yeah. So it's a good day to be outside. Here she is. Tell them to subscribe.
It is what boy?
Thank you for watching and subscribe. Good evening, guys. Today I'm starting the vlog in the evening, and as I told you, I am really tired of eating rice every day. So today we are eating yellow ugali. That is ugali made of yellow corn flour. And then we have fish over here. Yeah. Sorry if I've not cooked it the way you thought, but that is how we are eating tonight. Food that we ate today is on Saturday. Yeah. And we tried this fruit. We don't know the name, but you are told it's originally from Thailand. It tastes like mango. It looks like a tomato, but tastes like a mango. And those are our juices. And I'm loving this tea over here. And this reduces body fat. This is green tea. Don't know if you can. Yeah, that is green tea. Reduces body fat. And this is my favorite. It is sweet tea. And then that is juice. And this is another tea, but it's a lemon green tea, not a favorite of that. Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. I'm Ariana.
I'm Peter.
Yeah, and someone is somewhere, Maya. So
Yeah.
I am really excited about experiencing weather, different kind of seasons and weather. And I told you guys I'm gonna show you when the trees change. And Maya is making noise. Anyway guys, look at us, how beautiful you look. Today I did the most. Yeah, I felt like, you know. Yeah, so the trees are changing and the wind is also doing the most. So if it's a bit windy, forgive us, but it is just a lovely Sunday. But the weather it's drastically changing. Sometimes it's really cold, it's raining, it's sunny, it's windy, so we are still acclimatizing. But the trees got that yellow, orange, red, beautiful colors that I love. And we are trying a different font since this one ran out of space. So I was saying like we are really enjoying, but this is not the first time for my husband. Kona tamu kuja yummy. Haya
Mama tamaliza hiyo.
Yummy ice cream. Haya, you sit down and eat. Yummy. Yummy ice cream for Maya. You're welcome.
Let's go.
You will go with that.
Ndaje?
So this is vanilla with macadamia. And then we don't know what Maya bought. So after inserting the coins, Maya pressed and we don't know. I think this is just ice.
Ice na inakaa ni mango.
Let's
Kama
see.
tufungulie home.
What in the actual thing is this?
Ni ice literally unanyonyea hapo. Nikaa zile
Popsicles.
Rudisha kama hutakunywa saa hii. Hiyo ni mzuri kama tutaistore, we can refrigerate it. Tustoboe saa hii.
Na kana nataka kukunywa.
Unless utamaliza zote mbili.
Asitamaliza. Popsicle. Anyway, tumeona ni nini. Tukisikia ni tamu, cheka hapa chini nisikwe. Anyway guys, I'm gonna see you in the next one. Today I also went to my husband's place of work where he normally
unakatanga hivyo.
Nimeona saa hizi.
Aya.
Anyway guys, allow me to enjoy my ice cream and my family to enjoy the ice cream. And yeah, so continue fighting with whatever you are fighting, because we deserve good things under the sun. Even my husband says yes. My husband, like, now is the time and he understand why sometimes nilikuwa napenda vitu za mtumba. But now we are enjoying good things and we don't have to explain to people why we are buying expensive things. Ama babe?
Yeah, they are not really expensive, they're just new.
Yeah, that is actually the term, buying new things. New things. You remember this tree from the last vlog? I told you I'm gonna show you until it changes. Look at how beautiful it looks right now. That shade of red, pinkish, greenish. Looks so nice. Until?
It'll turn completely red.
Mm-hmm.
Then when just winter starts, all the leaves will have
Fall down.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is winter. That is fall, not winter.